This laptop is built for people who want a laptop that can keep up with real life, whether that's work, creativity, gaming, or just trying to get through a day without the battery giving up before you do. And Samsung have clearly set out to make a machine that feels premium without shouting about it, and the result is something genuinely exciting, especially for people who want power and practicality. Now, Samsung knows its displays, it's kind of their thing, and this 16-inch AMOLED panel is vibrant, sharp, and bright enough to handle everything from late-night binges of your fave shows to editing photos in a sunny cafe. Now, if you're someone who works outside or near a window that insists on blasting sunlight directly at your screen, then the AMOLED 16-inch display and the anti-reflective coating is a lifesaver. And with smart dynamic refresh rate from 30Hz to 120Hz, it just makes everything feel smoother when you need it and save battery when you don't. So scrolling, gaming, even dragging windows around feels nicer, and it feels nicer all of the time. This is the kind of display that makes you want to use your laptop more, and the touchscreen on this thing is super responsive too. So not just using it more, but using it more in the way that feels natural to you in the moment. This device, in my opinion, is pretty, but has that I'm premium but not flashy look about it. It's fully aluminium, sturdy, and feels like it can handle being thrown into a backpack without needing to be wrapped in bubble wrap first. And despite its strength, it's still slim, 15.4mm slim, and surprisingly light at 1.89 kilograms for the hardware that's inside of it. Meaning if you're someone who commutes, travels, or just moves around the house a lot, this is the kind of laptop that won't weigh you down literally or visually. Typing on its keyboard feels clean and responsive with just the right amount of key travel, and with its white backlight, it's great for late night work sessions too. But the trackpad, that's where Samsung clearly had fun. It's like huge. Like, did they measure my whole hand huge? It's made of glass, so it's sturdy, and it feels nice, and the haptic feedback means every click feels consistent no matter where you press on it. Now, believe me, this matters more than it sounds. A great trackpad makes everything easier, whether that's editing, browsing, just dragging files, or even scrolling through your social media. It's one of those quality of life upgrades that you don't realize you needed until it's literally staring you in the face. And this thing is big enough to stare you in the face. Inside, you've got the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 365H chip paired with an RTX 5070 GPU. That means fast performance, and not just for work too, but for creative apps and, yes, a little bit of gaming as well. These Intel chips come with a dedicated NPU, and because this is a Windows device, the NPU is put to work on AI features only found on a Copilot Plus PC, and this is a Copilot Plus PC. Two features you'll feel instantly with this are Click to Do and Windows Improved Search. Now, Click to Do is one of those, ooh, that's handy features, and it turns multi-step tasks into one quick action. Maybe you need a summary or a quick edit or cleanup of a photo. And then all you have to do is click Windows and U, and then click the text or image on your screen, and a whole menu of smart options appears. No app hopping, no digging through menus, just done. And Search has had a serious upgrade too. It now understands what you meant, not just what you typed. And it pulls the results from apps, settings, documents, and the web in a cleaner, more unified way. So if you're like me and always hunting for files or settings, this alone makes the laptop feel even faster. And because the NPU handles a lot of this locally, you get quicker responses, better battery life, less cloud reliance, and improved privacy for certain tasks. So that's a win-win on all fronts. Now, here's the part I think that you will appreciate about this device the most. It's powerful, but without sounding like a jet engine. Samsung's vapor chamber cooling keeps things under control, and during everyday tasks, the laptop stays whisper quiet. And if you're looking for a machine that can handle demanding tasks but still feels calm and composed, then this hits that balance rather nicely. The speakers pack more punch than you'd expect from a thin laptop too. First, there's 6 of them, I know, right? 6, including up-firing drivers and down-firing subwoofers for a fuller sound clearer voices, and actual bass. And then there is the 1080p webcam and microphone combo that makes video calls look and sound professional. And with Windows Studio effects, thanks to that NPU again, perfect for remote work, online classes, or catching up with your friends without looking like a blurry potato. Now, what about the battery on this thing? And this is where the Galaxy Book6 Ultra becomes especially get stuff done friendly, if you know what I mean. Video playback has been clocked at up to 30 hours. 30. Ideal for travel days, long commutes, or those "I forgot my charger again" moments, which happen to me quite often. So for a normal 9 to 5 workday with mixed tasks, 8 to 9 hours is very achievable. And when you do need to charge, the supported 140 watt USB-C fast charging gets you back up and running quickly. It's the kind of battery life that supports your day instead of dictating it, and I like a lot. Let's talk ports quick. The built-in SD slot makes it easy to import files on the go, while the 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 USB-A and 1 HDMI 2.1 port provides seamless connectivity to displays, storage and other devices without the need for extra dongles. And my fave, the headphone jack is here too, so I can use my favourite pair of wired headphones that I should probably replace soon, to be honest. Now, while the 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM is fixed on this laptop, Samsung did include 2 M.2 SSD slots. That means that you can extend the included 1TB of NVMe SSD storage by adding more storage later. So if you're someone who wants a laptop that lasts longer than a single upgrade cycle, this will allow you to keep storing your stuff without replacing your main drive. Oh yeah, one more thing. With Wi-Fi 7 and the latest Bluetooth 5.4 support, it also keeps things future ready and connected for years to come. So to sum up, the Samsung Galaxy Book6 Ultra not only sounds like it's the title of an epic video game series, it also feels like a laptop designed for real people with real needs, not just benchmark charts. It's powerful without being over the top, premium without being fragile, and packed with features that genuinely improve day-to-day use. So whether you're a creator, gamer, student, professional, or maybe even a mix of all of that, then this laptop won't let you down because it will fit into a lot of lifestyles with ease. So that's all I got for you today, but if you want to see more overviews and the latest tech tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, and even share this video. And go ahead and tell us in the comments what you think of this device. We do read them all, yeah. I've been Matt, you've been watching Expert Zone UK and I will catch you all on the flip side. Peace!